sure you're okay?
No.
This one in the world, dude. Jake,
How's it going?
so you're about to taste the world's hottest ramen ever.
No way. No.
What do you want to say? Are you a spicy person or you do eat spicy food or something?
I think all the fans know. I can eat some pretty spicy food.
I can't eat spicy food. Sometimes I have spicy poops, like, you know, when it hurts.
Do you think you will survive this?
No.
So I'm Spice Master. Might as well call me Spice Ninja.
Spice
It's
Ninja?
gonna be an easy challenge.
What's your actual name though?
That's a secret.
So I watched a video of 2 girls eating the hottest pepper in the world on Instagram a couple days ago, and now I'm kind of freaked out because they were crying and like one girl needed like an IV because it was so hot. So hopefully you guys don't kill us, but I know Chris is gonna die.
See if you want. You can finish this bowl.
The whole bowl?
This is gonna be hot.
Alright, I'm just
Just do it quickly. Just do it quickly. This looks different. You put spicy shit on there.
No, we didn't.
I can see you put spicy shit on there.
Charles, we all had
But you
those
didn't put the
noodles.
hots on it though.
What do you mean?
No,
it was
that's not
hot. Like, how do you think it was spicy?
These little peppers are on there.
do it. Oh my god, it is hot. It's spicy.
I can smell it. Depends if you're a pussy or not.
Oh my god, I just accidentally licked
I have
it.
some water.
Bad idea.
Get milk. You have milk? Milk's the best.
Is it spicy?
It's really good.
I said it's going to be once like, it's gonna add up to a lot. I know that.
It definitely takes a while.
Wow, he's just devouring, man.
It takes a while.
I'm gonna just take it all in.
Yeah, just go one
I'm
bite.
gonna drink it. I'm not even gonna
A
chew.
minute on the lips, forever on the hips.
I'm super nervous.
It's hot. 3 bites. Try to power it. Those running out though. You better be quick if I finish it all.
Is it good? Why are you like not that
They definitely
spicy?
are good. I mean, not that. I mean, I feel like they're gonna get more spicy because they've been saying they're wicked spicy, but they are pretty good. Yeah, big bite.
Oh my. He's crushing that thing.
Wait, does he have to save some for us? No, he has to finish the whole bowl.
There's more.
Can I have like a bite?
You want me to finish this?
Is it hot?
I grew up eating Indian food, Tom.
You're
This
okay.
is some child's play for him.
What does a spice ninja think?
Weak. 2 out of 10.
Pretty good.
It is pretty
I bet
good.
your lips are burning right
You eat water or something?
I'm good.
Really? What?
I mean,
now. You want some eel soup? In the video?
it's definitely not spicy. But there's a little bit of an afterburn.
Like a spicy.
The trick is go quick. Can I get some water?
Sure.
I knew it was like. Alright, 1, 2, 3, big bite.
Oh wow! The nose when it. Wow! That was a record. Show the camera your lips.
So screwed.
Okay.
As we did for the water bottle bid.
That's fine. You want this? Cheers.
Alright, Spice Ninja, just go. If you go quicker.
Oh!
1 bite. 1 bite. Oh! Beast mode!
Are you okay?
For the fans. For the fans. Do it for the fans.
Oh my god.
Do it for the wave.
You sweaty?
One more.
1 bite. 1 bite.
Okay. Wait, one bite.
Spice Ninja, don't be a little pussy.
1 bite.
Just so everyone knows, I'm not gonna finish the noodles. So did you finish? Yeah, everyone
Oh
knows.
my god, are you okay?
Spice Ninja.
Spice Ninja!
Spice Ninja!
By the way, my bowl was twice as big as theirs. So, it just shows. Oh my god.
Honestly, if you were really
You need water?
no,
Run for the water.
you wouldn't be the Spice Ninja. You
It's good.
You're kind of impressed.
Spice Game Virgin.
Yeah, seriously.
I'm impressed, dude. Yeah. What happened?
Eat the whole thing in 1 bite.
Yeah, just eat the whole thing.
Put it all,
Yeah.
do it all in 1 bite. That's
You definitely put shit in here. Eat it. It couldn't make it more spicy. It's already the spiciest ramen.
Now I'm the spice.
Now you're the spice plus.
President. It's
I need
good.
milk. I need milk.
Milk. Oh, come on, go.
Can I grab houses?
If you guys gave me the extra spicy one,
I'm so happy right now. This noodle's great.
I like it. I really like the noodles. I'm impressed by everybody else. I'm a little embarrassed that I kind of got beat. Giles brought his A game today. I've never seen that kid eat so slow and so spicy.
I was picturing myself on the ground needing air, but I made it.
They did call me the Spice Sensei, so I can handle it pretty well,
Oh!
as you can see.
But
That is a ninja move.
The milk definitely helps.
I beasted that. I'm number one. Thanks guys. Spicy.
He does not feel spice.
Bring your best. I want that hot pepper. Shove it up my urethra.
我肯定不会哭，也肯定不会喝水。
吃完，
吃完
不喝水，
为止我都不喝水。吃
那
完后5分钟我也不喝水。
饮料也不喝，饮料水什么都不喝。
饮料水什么都不喝，唯一能喝的只有那个汤。
它没有汤，它是拌面。
我以为它是汤面。一开始就是不辣，现在真的。面是好吃的，但是我不喝水，我吃冰。
让我吃一点，不辣呀。
你吃完。
我喝水。为什么过一会儿这么辣？
后劲很足。
他吃的时候没有辣味的。给我水。
水在那边。
这是什么水啊？
不是。
水。啊！我在出汗，你知道吗？出汗流鼻涕，我要死了！不行了，我感觉我要去医院了。我不看也知道，你们一定很多人都在刷2333，说我弱爆了。但是不管怎么样，大家一定得要去玩一玩我和真花写的 APP 哦，叫哼鸡。这个 app 有个很特殊的属性，就是它不火就不好玩。具体呢，请看图。
To the room of people who have rooms of people